Yeah, sure. This is a slower, full face makeup tutorial using just the Subtle Beauty stack. Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm the founder and CEO of Subtle Beauty. We make portable, customizable makeup stacks for busy, badass people on the go. Let's get into it. Since this person is a makeup minimalist, I'm only going to use the first 4 products in my stack. So that is concealer, lip and cheek, a little bit of lip balm, and the bronzer. Starting off with the concealer, and I'm in the shade 2. I'm going to be using this as a hybrid concealer foundation. Really, the goal here is just to even out my skin tone. So I'm going to be applying wherever I see redness. We designed this concealer with better spreadability so that it is much easier to use on the go. Being that it is so thin and movable, it can cover much larger surface areas in like half the time. Now listen, if you do struggle with some gnarly blemishes like I used to, hello fellow hormonal acne gals, I would definitely recommend keeping a like thicker consistency concealer, one that is designed specifically for blemishes. Next, I'm going to use the lip balm just to keep my lips hydrated. It also serves as a nice cushiony base for the lip and cheek that we're going to use. Okay, next up is going to be that lip and cheek. I am in the shade Terracotta Tour Guide, formerly known as Dusty Rose, with a little bit of optimization. A quick and easy placement tip that I have is just that I follow the C here and then I stop right before the corner of my eye. So I'm just gonna put some product here. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. The C. Right here, and that's it. Just kidding. So now I'm going to take 2 fingers and then I'm just going to blend that out. 2 fingers helps speed the process and then also just gives you a much more even distribution of color. I get a lot of questions about me just using my fingers to apply a lot of my products, and the reason is that my skin can be quite dry, especially in the winter. We're like in the dead of summer right now, so your girl's glowing. But I find brushes can be a little too abrasive for my skin in those moments, and so big fan of using my hands to apply my makeup. Make sure they're clean, but otherwise it gives a really nice finish, and it's really great for dry, sensitive skin. So I'm just using a patting motion, trying not to bring the blush too far forward, and I'm just sort of doing it in a sweeping upward motion. Just do that until you reach your desired blendedness, if that's a word. We're gonna use it today. I just had a lash fall into my eye and it looks like I've been crying. Makeup tutorials just make me so emotional. So I'm gonna take the same blush color and I'm just going to add it to my lips. Same color, which really ties the look in all together. Next up we have bronzer, but I'm actually going to use the brush that comes with every single stack purchase. It is super soft and it lives just in the little base compartment of your stack. So I'm going to grab my bronzer and just do a little swirl in there. I like to place this directly under my blush and then I frame upwards like so. The great thing about this brush is that you can get some really precise placement. This one under here. And because I have a longer face, I like to apply my bronzer around the outskirts of my face, under my cheekbones, and then around here, just to give me the illusion of a shorter face. And as a makeup minimalist, I recommend just taking that same bronzer and using it as an eyeshadow. And that's it.